Welcome you all. Now we are going to discuss about how to analyze rank scale questions using Excel. Here we have 7 variables which is used for measure the patient's preference towards hospital services. The 7 scales are appropriate charges for treatment, personalized care, professional knowledge and care of doctors, good nursing services, modern and advanced equipments, clean and comfort, reliability of hospital. These are the 7 variables which is used for measure the patient's preference towards hospital services. Here the respondent wants to give rank to these variables. These ranks are 1 to 7. Now let us move to Excel sheet. Here we have Excel sheet. We collected data from 100 respondents for this 7 scale. Let us take first respondent. For the first respondent, appropriate charges for treatment, he gave first rank. Personalized care, rank 3. Professional knowledge and care of doctors, rank 6. Good nursing services, rank 2. Modern and advanced equipments, rank 7. Clean and comfort, rank 4. Reliability of hospital, rank 5. Here all these 7 variables having 7 ranks. So likewise we have 100 respondents. All the respondents gave rank for these 7 variables. Now we want to calculate the order of preference given by the respondents. Based on this question, we want to find out which variable gets most preference and which variable gets least preference. That is the purpose of using the rank scale in a questionnaire. Now let us move to the calculation. So here we have 7 scales and total score, average and rank. So here factor name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally 7 factors, means 7 rank. Now we want to find out the frequency of each rank. That means how many respondents set first rank to the variable 1, second rank, third rank, fourth rank. Likewise all the variables you want to find out frequency, that is number of respondents assigned rank for each variable. For that purpose we are using COUNTIF formula. So you click this box, equal to COUNTIF, open bracket, B32 B102 comma 1, because here we are going to find out how many first rank, second one how many second rank, likewise how many up to 7th rank. So we want to find out rank for each variable. So this is frequency. After that we want to find out total score for the rank. So here this is a total score of each variable. Now total score is assigned based on the weightage. So here the rank 1 gets weightage of 7, rank 7 gets weightage of 1. So that based on this weightage you want to calculate total score. The formula for total score is equal to sum into B105 into 7 plus C105 into 6 plus D105 into 5, likewise up to 1. So this is the formula for total score. So like let us see, just we delete it and you can keep your cursor and made double click, you can get the total score. Then you want to find out average score. Average score is equal to total score divided by n, that is number of respondents. So total score is 518 divided by 100. So I105 divided by 100, we can get average score. Then finally you want to find out rank. So based on the average score you want to rank. So here the highest number gets rank 1, the least number gets rank 7. So the highest number is 518, it means 5.18, that is rank 1. The least number is 3.111, that is 7th score. For calculating rank, the formula is equal to rank J105. Then you want to freeze this area. For that purpose we are using double dollar symbol, S105 and S1011. You want to freeze this. For that purpose we are using double dollar symbol, then comma 0. So we can get rank. Just delete it. Keep your cursor here and double click. You can get a rank. Now we can see how to draw a chart for this rank. Let us take this total score, select this total score, go to insert, click column and click, you can get the diagram. You can move it here, wherever we want we can move, and if you want to make any changes you can make changes in the diagram. Just go to layout, we can get all the just go to layout, we can get properties for changing the diagram. Suppose we want to change the color, go to format, go to design and change the colors. You want to make any changes, just go to layout and select the appropriate changes using these things. This is the simple method of calculating rank using Excel for rank data. Thank you for watching.